A blast, a roar, a piercing cry. The trumpet sounds, no time for shy. It breaks the silence, shatters the night, calls forth the bold to stand and fight. Cloaks spread wide on bare cold stone. A throne awaits, a kingdom's home. The crowd erupts, the heavens roar. Jehu is king, a mighty score. But listen close, beyond the sound. A deeper call shakes every ground. It's the cry of God to every heart, to rise, to stand, to play your part. This trumpet's not for timid feet, but for the bold who won't retreat. It stokes the flames within the weak, gives voice to those afraid to speak. Chains shatter, walls fall away, new dawns break through the darkest day. So when the call blasts through your soul, don't hesitate, embrace your role. Rise up, stand tall, don the crown. The trumpet sound won't let you down. This is the fire that lights the way, the war of heaven's fierce display. Will you answer? Will you rise? The trumpet calls, lift up your eyes. This is the sound that breaks the night, a call to walk into the light. The voice of God, both fierce and true, awakening all who hear the cue. It's a summons back to holy ground, where grace and mercy will be found. To lay down burdens, release the past, and find a love that's made to last. The trumpet calls, don't turn away. This is your moment, your sacred day. Step forward now, hear heaven's plea. Come home, come bold, come finally free. If you would like to talk more or just need someone to listen, feel free to DM or email me. I'd love to hear what's on your heart. Thank you so much for listening.